Delivery is here. I'm going to make apple pie today. You're excited, right? The chopped apples have arrived. Wow, thank you. Turn on the heat, open the lid of the pot, and add the chopped apples. I'm going to prepare sugar. You can prepare stevia for your health. Put the powder into the pot. Close the lid of the sugar container. Close the lid of the pot. When the pot boils, open the lid. Stir it a little bit. Add a spoonful of vinegar. Add cinnamon powder 1, 2, and 3. And gently stir it again. Whisk thoroughly. Please close the lid again. When the pot boils, open the lid. The ingredients to fill the apple pie are very well made. Prepare a container for apple jam. And put it in a container. This time, use a thin mill to push the bread. It's easy, right? Push it until it's flat. Prepare a bowl to break and stir the eggs. Then, break the eggs into a bowl and put them in. And gently stir it again. Apply the egg water to the end of the thinly sliced bread with a brush. Apply apple jam in the middle. It's easy, right? Make a cut at the end. And fold it in half. Turn the pie around at the end and press it down well. I'm going to clean up the parts that stick out. Apply the egg water to the end of the thinly sliced bread with a brush. If you bake it in the oven, it's pretty. Since it's apple pie, should we watch it with a bigger apple than apple pie? Like and subscription notification settings are the power to keep this channel, please. Wow, it's so good, yummy.